So this right here, this is a glove box assembly of the Hyundai Exter. If you pull this latch, it will open the glove box. In case you want to access your cabin air filter, what you need to do is there are two latches on either side. You need to open them. Just push the side flap inside like so. There's another one here. And this is how it comes off. And if you look here above, this is the box that holds the cabin air filter. Now how do you access it? There's a flap here. Open it. There's another one here. Open it, and that is how you access the filter. You can see the filter there. So simply pull it out. So this is your cabin air filter. Now this, over a course of usage, becomes dirty, because as your car sucks in more and more air from outside and you keep driving your car, it takes in all the bad air, filters it, and it gives the purified air through the other side, and that is circulated through the cabin. That is if you turn on the recirculation mode off. So to insert the cabin filter back, what you need to do is pull this flap down. Remember, this should be the airflow that is written here. It should be this way. So your filter should be inserted like this, not this way. This is the airflow inside and this is the filtered air out. So you need to insert it this way. Once you insert it, close the flap. You should hear a firm click, and once you do that, you can put the glove box back. You can put the flaps inside, and that is it. Once you've done that, you can simply close the glove box.